Hey guys, I am extremely excited about this unboxing, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what this is. So make sure you're following me over there too, and you can find me under Stephany Happily Plans as well. So there is a new planner company in town, and I am truly here for it. Some of my friends on Instagram were raving about this company, and I'll go ahead and put everyone's information down in the description box below so you can check them out as well. But they were speaking so highly about this new up-and-coming company, and I was automatically hooked. So these friends of mine are ambassadors for the company, and they did such an amazing job because they were truly passionate about it. And of course, the founder Rachel was twice as passionate about her new Go Getter Girl planner company, which in return made me passionate about it. So it was just a domino effect. So a big shout out to Jennifer, Katie, and Ashley for introducing me to Go Getter Girl Co. and for being such amazing ambassadors. So I want to go ahead and I think I'm going to just take everything out. So here we go. Let's go ahead and open this up because I am truly excited about this. I had been waiting for this, and this is actually two orders. So let's go ahead and check out what's included in here. So with every planner that you purchase, you get a bookmark, and then you do get some information, her card, and then this thank you card as well. So you get one for each, and I did grab 3 planners. So here's another bookmark, and here's the other one, and then she also has some stickers available, and here is a glimpse of this one. So lots of pinks, lots of purples, super girly, just like Rachel is. She is such an amazing person. Her vibe is exactly what sold me on this planner as well. So here's another one, and I think it's just so cute that she had included this with my order because these are sold separately, and I believe this one is the same as this last one that I just showed. And big thank you for sending these, and make sure you stay tuned till the end because I do have a big announcement. And so let's go ahead and check everything out. I really appreciate all the extra bubble wrap that was included. So let me go ahead and take this out. And let's start wrapping all of these. So in my first order, I was debating about the Rachel and Majestic Sky. They were both so beautiful, and I just couldn't make up my mind. So in the end, I went ahead and went with Majestic Sky, and let's go ahead and look at her. Okay, so right off the bat, I can already see that it is such a beautiful planner. And everyone is just talking about the feel of the cover, and I must say that it is smooth. I love it. And this is the double coil gold champagne wire binding, and I'm not a big fan of gold, but I think this looks so beautiful. I believe it goes so well with all of the gold foil, even here in the corners, such a great touch. But I love that. And they did have 3 of these covers available. So I did grab the Majestic Sky. And like I said, I was debating between this one and the Rachel. And so this was the second order that I placed. And just look at this. This is so gorgeous, so smooth. I am truly in love. And here it is. So this one is more of a pink and peach type of color. But this one is just so beautiful. I love the blues, the purples, the pinks, the gold. I really love everything about it. So I'm so glad that I ended up putting another order in just because I wanted this one as well. And when I placed that second order, they were having a buy one, get one 50% off. So I went ahead and purchased this one because I was on the fence about these two covers. So this was my chance to get the Rachel as well. And then I did go ahead and get a second Rachel. And that is because I am going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me over there. Again, I'm under Stephany Happily Plans. I'm going to have all the details. That way you're able to try this planner out for yourself. I am super excited. So it's not going to run for a long time because I want to get this out to you guys super fast. The giveaway is going to run as soon as this video goes live. I am just loving this cover. I am so happy that I got it. And they do have a third cover as well. And that one is the Cotton Candy Camo. I did not get that one, but it has like the blues and the pinks and gold as well. And it's such a beautiful cover. So I'm regretting not getting that one. That way I would have had all three covers, but I am happy with this one. And I must say that I am now loving the Rachel. This is so pretty. Okay, I just love it so much. So let's go ahead and put this one off to the side. And let's go ahead and open her up. So let's see. And so there is a little dedication, and it is to her grandma, the best woman I know, who always taught me to follow my heart and be a go-getter. This is such a sweet and personal touch. And I must say that I love that this is white and that the design from the front didn't translate over here. I actually love that. We only have a little bit of border here, but other than that, it's white, and I do love this. So right here, we have the name page, Go Get a Girl, company, and then this planner belongs to, so you can write your name. And this paper is so white, and I love that. You guys know that some paper is not really white. It's kind of like an off-white, so I do love that this one is white. And we only have 4 tabs in this planner, and that's because this planner is undated. So you don't have the monthly tabs, because you can truly just start this planner whenever you would like. So that's so great. And so then we have this welcome page, and it just gives you a little bit of information about the founder, Rachel. So I can't wait to dive into this one and read that. And then right here, it just tells you how to use this planner, and that it's undated, dream big creation, goal creation, morning routine creation, a monthly section, and a monthly vision board as well. And so then we have habit section as well, and then weekly pages and daily pages. So this planner is a 3-in-1. You get a monthly, a weekly, and a daily as well. How amazing is that? And that's seriously another point that drew me into this planner. I love that all of these 3 layouts are included in this planner. So I love that so much. And let's go ahead and see. So here is the first monthly tab. You cannot do something because you don't know how. You cannot do something because you are not willing to figure it out. Rach Marie. And so the first tab is create. And so dream big creation. So I love all these prompts. It definitely gets you thinking. And then let's see, goal creation. So we have personal goals, career goals, relationship goals, financial goals, and then we get into the motivation and why, and then action steps and preparation. So that's amazing. And then we have the morning routine creation. And I actually love this page. I've been seeing it from the ambassadors and how they're using it. So I love this page right here. And then we get to the plan tab. You can either start scared or never start and stay where you are. The choice is yours. Rach Marie. that is so inspirational. I love this so much. And then we do have a monthly vision board. So I love that you get 2 pages for that. And then if you noticed, there's very specific goal-oriented and just personal development. And that's because Rachel is a personal development coach. And so that just naturally translated into her planner. So that is amazing. And then we do get over to the monthly spread. So it is in a landscape mode, and I've never seen this before. So I'm a little bit scared and intimidated, but excited to try this layout out. And we do have the bottom of the month here, and then we would start over here. But I think she did mention that for her next launch, she was going to just flip it over here. So then the days of the week are over here, and that way it doesn't get in the way of when we're writing, but that's actually not too bad. So I'm excited for this. It's just something new that I've never seen before. And then right over here on the next page, we have monthly goals, action plan for those goals, and then monthly budget. So we have housing, food, gas, bills, spending, gym, credit cards, loans, and then a spot for others. And then down here at the bottom, what habit are you trying to break or create this month? So very goal and habit oriented. And then that leads us straight into the weekly view. Up here at the top, you have my focus / priorities for the week. And then we have Monday through Sunday, and Saturday and Sunday do share a spot, but it's kind of sectioned off by morning, afternoon, and evening, but you don't have to use it that way. And another thing that I love about this is that this is such a neutral planner, and that's another thing that sold me on this planner. Like, no color. I love that. There's a little bit of detail, but no color. Then that leads us straight into the daily view. And I just love the setup so much. I know when I was using a daily planner, this whole setup is what I was truly missing. We had a monthly view on 2 pages, and then it led us straight to the daily view. And there was just always something that was missing for me with a daily layout, and that was having a weekly view as well. I just need this right here to be able to then transfer everything to the day that it corresponds. So I love this, and this is exactly another thing that sold me on this planner. And so we have Monday through Friday, and then up here, right, what date we're on, and then it does have a daily gratitude. So today I am grateful for, and then you place that right here. And so then let me go ahead and do this. We have today's schedule, and this is the hourly portion of this planner. So it does start at 5 and at 10. So I love that it starts early and ends late. I know sometimes you aren't able to find a planner that starts this early or ends this late. So that's amazing with this planner as well. And then right over here, you have a place to put a affirmation of the day. So it just says, put a sticky note here daily and write your affirmation of the day on here in Sharpie. Then tag me in it so I can see. And you did hear that right. It says in Sharpie. This paper is amazing. It is thick. It is 125 GSM premium matte white paper, and I love how white it is, how thick it is, and you can write in Sharpie with it, and there won't be any sort of leaking. There may be just a little bit of ghosting, but that's it. Nothing major. Like, how amazing that you can write in a Sharpie. So that was amazing as well. And then we do have this section right over here for movement. And then we get to the work to do, and it gives you some checklists, and then personal to do. And then you list those out as well. And then down here at the bottom, did you move closer toward breaking or creating your habit today? And then just yes or no. So very habit oriented. And then as far as the weekend, you do get the weekend on one page, which is totally okay. I was using the weekend on one page and it worked amazing. I don't have too much that I need to do for the weekend, so this amount of space is just perfect for me. So we do have a place for today is to write on both sides. This weekend I am grateful for, and then you get the schedule, and this one starts at 8 and ends at 9. And then we have the weekend intentions, the movement, weekend plans, personal to do, and then again, the habit. And then at the end of the week, you do get that weekly layout again, and then you do it all over again. So how amazing is this? I was automatically sold. I love that it has a weekly layout right before the daily view. That just sold me right there. This right here sold me completely. And of course, everything else is just extra. Like, I love this. And like I mentioned before, there is no monthly tabs because it is undated, but when she comes out with her dated version for 2021, there will be monthly tabs, and that one will be dated. So I am super excited about 2021, and this is just 6 months. So that's great. Or else you guys know that daily planners would be thick. If they ended up adding any more than just 6 months at a time, you would have a really, really thick planner, and nobody wants to carry around that. So I thought that was amazing. So we have all of this for the planner itself, and then we do get to the last tab, which is extras. And this one just says, but what if this is only the beginning? Rach Marie. I love that. So good. So we do have an address book back here, so that's so great. Ooh, passwords as well. Okay, I can try that. Grocery lists. That's perfect. All right, and then some notes as well. So I just love this. And then we do have this Love Rach Marie. I just love how personal her first planner was. I think it's amazing. And I believe there was not an issue, but you do have to be careful with the back cover. So instead of trying to do this, you'll just go ahead and flip to the front. And she did mention that she was going to change up the coil as well. So instead of it being double, I think she's going to go with a single coil next time. So I am ready for all the changes. I can't wait. I love this cover. It is 100% recycled material, and it will resist warping, and it is just super smooth. It does have that buttery feel that everyone is talking about, and I just love this cover. I think it's so beautiful. I love this one as well. So check out her website. I'm going to be just linking everything down below where you can purchase the planner and who I was influenced by. They did such an amazing job, and currently they're only selling in the US and Canada. So for US shipping, it is $9.99, and that usually takes 1 to 3 days through priority shipping, and they do ship to Canada as well, which is $16.95, and that one takes about 1 to 3 weeks to ship to you. And if you ever buy a pre-sale planner from them, it is 6 to 8 weeks until you get your planner. So just keep that in mind. And they are currently $49.99 on the website. So definitely check them out. I am so excited about this new company. I am truly here for it. I love everything that was included. I love that we have 3 layouts in one planner. I'm excited about that landscape monthly view. And I just love that it includes weekly and daily layouts as well. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. I will be giving away the Rachel. She is just beautiful. I love it. So make sure you're following me over there and enter the giveaway. giveaway. I'm excited to send this over to one of you. I want you guys to try out this company, and I am super, super excited about everything. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.